Yeah, Mr. CM has created a historic history in submitting a budget. But the thing is, this time is totally a zero budget. There is no development, zero development. But so loans are heavy, 1,32,000 crores. See, actually, in 22-23, we are in power. By that time, we were paying 44,549 crore as a interest for the loan. This time, this government, Mr. Sidramaya ji, should pay 52,000 crore for the whatever he taken the total amount of credit. Now he has to pay 52,000 crore as a interest. Our loan is lesser than his interest. So that is the situation in Karnataka now. See, one thing is certain. In this budget, no development can. 1,32,000 crore rupees he has taken the loan now. What is the investment? Only 71,000 crore. 71,000 means he is taking the loan to run his government. Yesterday itself I told that without taking loan, he cannot step even one step forward. That is the position of this government. And he declared that 56,000 posts will be filled up. Where is the amount? There is no amount in this.